Anthony Chavez, former employee of the Los Alamos laboratory, walks out of his house, leaves his keys, his wallet, and his cigarettes. Somebody sees him leave his house, normal, not under duress or anything, but then he completely disappears. Cadaver searching dogs can't find him. Nobody can. Melissa Casillas also walked out of her house for no reason. Didn't take her keys, her wallet, her purse, or her phones. Her phones were found completely erased, not destroyed, not hacked, erased. She was last seen walking along Highway 518. Why, who knows, as if commandeered by an unknown force. And this one's even stranger. She was the director of the Materials Processing Group at NASA. She was hiking with two friends on Mount Waterman, a location I've mentioned on this channel before. Her friend turns to look back at her about 30 feet away. She waves and smiles. He turns around to continue. I'm assuming it's a he, it might have been a she. But they never saw her again. Neither did the canine search unit, the drones, or the helicopter or ground team. No trace, no evidence, just disappeared. And again, this location, Mount Waterman in California. It popped up in another video as well on this channel. Very interesting that it's incorporated again. William McCaslin. This man had the highest leadership position in defense science oversight. Extremely prestigious role. But he just walked out of his house and disappeared. In the days leading up to this, his wife said that he exhibited what she called brain fog, unpredictable behavior, as if his mind again had been taken over by something. So let's look at the possible perpetrators of this act, maybe a rogue agency or a foreign adversary. Could they even accomplish what occurred here? The untraceable lack of evidence, electronic erasure of the phones, cognitive control, total disappearance with no evidence at all. Not very likely for any of those four features. Those are like the impossible features of cattle mutilations. They can't be approximated by humans and definitely not repeated. Would they even do this? What does the motivation here look like? Not very likely. This is extremely high risk. You're messing with the most powerful military on the planet, arguably, and very low reward. You can just pay somebody off or spy on them or whatever to get information. And you're not going to end their research by taking out just a few people. But there's another explanation. The same intelligence that did the cattle mutilations. To demote human hubris and their presumed mastery of reality, these targets would make perfect sense, because they're the highest demonstration of this sense that humans have mastery over reality. This proves the opposite is true. It's saying, you think you control reality? Guess again. I can commandeer your body, have you walk down a highway, leaving everything at home that you would typically need, and erase you.